It is June the 18th, 2023, and we are at the Evangel Church Father's Day Car and Bike Show. A lot of cars. Hey, I'm here with Bobby Johnson. He's kind of heading up this registration here at Evangel. Tell me what's a little bit about what's going on, Bobby.
Good morning. Just another great day at Evangel Church, our annual Father's Day car show. As you can see, we've got a great turnout. Got a lot of older vintage cars, a lot of muscle cars, a lot of cars that are newer, that have been customized. Just a good time. Lots of people showing up. Got a lot of Can-Am bikes and Harleys and Kawasaki's. If you're looking for a good time, something fun to do, you ought to come by and visit us.
Well, there's a lot going on at the Evangel Church Car and Bike Show here in 2023. We have a 1967 Shelby GT, and I guess this is the guy that owns it because he's polishing it up. Tell me a little bit about your car here.
Well, I always wanted one, so we find a body and we work on it for 7 years straight. So it took 7 years to finish the car. I love the body style, the lines on the car, everything about the car I like.
Yeah, I do too. That's one of my favorite years right here.
Yeah, the lines. I love the lines on the car.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I hope don't rain. What happened with Walter's car?
So as far as I know, the brand that kids have it, you know, it is in the garage at the house still. But yeah, they.
A lot of horses in there.
Do the motor one seat and nothing like that. Then close the gas down the carburetor. Second hit, fire right up. Right up.
And some more Corvettes over here. An old Buick.
Yeah. You don't have air conditioning? Oh, air ride. Oh man, I would have parked you next to me.
This yours?
That's mine.
Tell me about it. Tell me.
It's a barn find, one in the family car. It's been in the family since day one.
No kidding. Wow.
1924. All original.
All original.
Yes,
Wow.
sir. And I got enough to build another car.
Really? Are you here in Montgomery?
Yes, sir.
That's nice. What's your name?
John Marikas.
John-
John Maserati, they call me.
John Maserati.
I was supposed to bring a Maserati
There you
today,
go.
but I just got this thing a week ago.
Wow.
So,
That's nice. That's well preserved, just like me.
That guy kept. I got his wife gave me all his trophies too. He's got trophies. Trophies.
Wow, incredible. Well, good deal. Thank you, Sir John. My favorite years, the 57 Chevy. How are you doing?
Very good.
Tell me a little bit about your 57 here.
It's a Georgia car, and it's got the ZZ4 Corvette engine in it, 12-bolt rear end, Camaro rear end.
And other than that, it's just yelling.
It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. Thank you so much for being here.
Yes, sir. It's our 4th year.
4th year? Good deal.
Do the motor one season and nothing like that. Then fills the gas down the carburetor. Second, but I have to go. Actually, you showed it yesterday.
A 54 Ford.
It happened, that other one used to happen to be there. So I pulled up next to him just to kind of get up.
Oh, but it's the same
It's the same year, make model.
I got you.
So that kind of tells you just how
With a Chevrolet motor. Quite a vehicle.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, years later.
Hey, tell us a
Father's
little.
Day, everybody.
Hey, tell us a little bit about what's going on here today.
Welcome to the car show, 13th annual car show. Another great day. Weather's holding off, and we've got a lot of great things going on at Evangel. So we're glad that all the car owners are here. We're looking for a great day.
Thank you, Pastor.
Yep.
Got the pickup trucks. How y'all doing today?
How you say?
Looks like the weather's going to hold out. Yeah. Where the pickup trucks are over here.
Do the motor one season and nothing like that. Then fills the gas down the carburetor. Second hit, fire right up. Right up. I mean, you look at pictures inside there, it has sit in that backyard. I'm talking about too, like the mold and trees were growing. So I just did this in the backyard.
2022.
I'm here with Otis Thomas, and he's going to tell me a little bit about this Transformer Corvette.
That's a 2022
Okay.
C8 Corvette, red mist metallic coat, natural dip inside, 6.2 liter V8, D1 engine. Has a Z51 package, 580 horsepower, 520 pounds of torque.
Wow.
Has a carbon fiber custom high wing in the back. Got custom Lambo vertical doors, custom AWE exhaust with the track exhaust, 4-inch extension carbon fiber. Got Cook Super Street headers on there. It's got a Helitech cold air kit.
I like those wheels.
Custom airline wheels.
Yeah.
Got a custom made airline. And it got a complete Oracle light setting. Of course, it is a hardtop convertible.
That's beautiful. Beautiful car. I call it a Transformer car.
Yeah. Got the Iron Man thing.
The Iron, there you go. There's the Iron Man helmet.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, thank you, Otis.
All right, thanks, sir.
Well, that's going to do it for this year's car and bike show. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.